There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and oh, I know I am one. Well, my mother, she was a tailor, and she sewed my new blue jeans. Well, my father, he was a gambler man down in New Orleans. Well, the only thing that her gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. Oh, and the only time that he is satisfied is when he's on the drum. So mothers, please listen to my heart story. Tell your children to not do what I have done. Oh, to live their lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. Oh, in the house of the rising sun. There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and oh, I know I am one. Yes, and oh, I know I